Hey guys, it's Jack. For my personal narrative speech, I decided to choose baseball. Obviously, as you can see, this is my baseball mitt, but I'll talk to you a little bit more about this a little later. The first picture you see right there is when I was about 8, 9 years old. I was in Double A, and this is when I realized that baseball was really my favorite sport, and not just a sport, but also a big passion. I just love practice this game, everything about it. Um, the second picture is my dad and me probably playing catch in the backyard or before or after one of my games. Um, he was probably my biggest influencer and definitely my biggest supporter throughout it all. And when he passed away, I definitely it was more than a game to me, and I tried harder and harder and every day to be the best player I could be. Um, Third picture you see right above me is the one where I was playing at McLean High School. It was my sophomore year, and a lot of the guys knew I was struggling with just grieving with what just happened with my dad. But it's great because baseball is a sport where you know everyone's going to have your back regardless of who's feeling down or what the situation is. Everyone can pretty much sympathize with you, and it's great. The far left picture is me where we were playing Madison in the district championship my junior year. I threw a one hitter and I gave up a run in the first inning, and we lost 1-0. So to this day, I still feel like it's my fault, but I don't know. My the hitters on my team didn't really help me out that day, but what can I say? The bottom picture is where I decided to go play baseball at Hartford Community College. When my father passed away, I was kind of confused on what I wanted to do with my life, whether it was still play baseball, if I can handle the grief um, without him being there, just from being a young kid and him teaching me everything. It's hard to deal with, but it's definitely a great outlet for me and a place to just, you know, be free, relax, and feel like I, don't have any responsibilities just for those 2 hours and can be me. But now what I want to do is show you a little bit about how the glove works. So you can see this a Wilson baseball glove. They make other products. Right there, like the black marks, pretty much is where I catch the baseball. Right here, a lot of people, depending on what position you play, I play shortstop and pitcher, but this is my infield glove. I want to catch the ball right in the middle so that it's quick when I can transfer and throw the ball. The web's still pretty good. Other players that play baseball usually use a bigger glove so that the web is bigger and they can catch it. But for me as an infielder, this is all I need. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my speech about my passions and hobbies, and have a good weekend.